All right, now I'd like to work on some minor details. So for example, this one I'd like to make it change its font, this one. So let's work on it. Let me go to the top. So I think this one, yeah, this class. So first I'd like to give it font size of 1. Let's do refresh. Let's go back. Nice. And also I'd like to add some for example, we can add some break on the top. So br break, to refresh. Perfect. Yeah, I think the break fixed it. That's awesome. Okay, what about the margin top? Let me remove this and add here a margin top of 0. Is it gonna be fixed this way? I think it's fixed, yeah. But actually what we need to do is margin top of, for example, 1. What is the margin top? This is 0. Give it, for example, 1. Alright, so margin top of 1. Alright, let's refresh. Let's go back here and margin top of 1. Margin top 1 rem. Why it's not working? Control X delete. Let's clear the data. Let's go back here to refresh. And let me check it from here. So margin top. Is this means the padding top? Padding. Yeah, but the margin top nailed it. So let's refresh. So the margin top 0 nailed it. Yeah. The margin top 0. So check this out. It's well aligned with that, which is awesome. We can add the padding top of 1. So let me add it down below. So padding top of 1. Padding top 1 rem. Let's go back here. Let's do refresh. Perfect. Now it's really perfect. I like it. I like how it looks like right now. So I would like to make it strong. So let's make it strong. So let's write that here. Strong. Let's close it. Let's copy it again. Let's paste it again here and let's take a look at it. So I think the strong should be before. So let's just delete it from here. Let's paste it first. Let's save, go back to refresh. It's nothing. Let's delete all the data again. Let's go back to refresh. Is this graph? I don't know. Should it be inside? What about this structure? How did we did it within structure? Strong was outside. Strong, not strong. Let's copy this, paste it here, strong. Let's close that. So let's save. Let's go back to refresh. Bam. But lastly, what we need to do is, or actually, I know what, I'm gonna be using this font. Yes, I'm gonna be using this font. So let's do that. So same font that is applied to the title, which is the Roboto. So let's just copy it from here. Control X. Let's go back here. And let's paste it right there. All right, so let's do refresh here. Let's take a look. Perfect, we got it. Actually, we don't need the strong anymore. Just messing up with the design. So let's save, go back, do refresh. It's the same, I think. Yeah. Let's just give it a column. Call of 70. and let's make it center. All right, let's go back to refresh. Oh yes, actually we must use the MA. The MA again. So refresh. Now it's centered, which is awesome. Width, I think that's the same. Yeah. For the color of it, I'm gonna give it the same color that we got with that. With this one, the blue number 2. This one. Just copy it from here. C blue. And let's set the color to this. Alright, so let's save that. Let's go back. Let's do refresh here. Actually, we didn't apply that again. So sea blue. So where is it? This one. So sea blue. Save. Go back to refresh. Still nothing. Margin top 0. Padding top 1. Column. Why it's not blue? Sea blue. I think the blue is uppercase. Yep. So here let's set it to uppercase. So let's save, go back to refresh, which is not the blue that we want. So let's use the first blue and let's paste it right here. Save, go back to refresh. Bam. Now we have the same template as this, which is looking really awesome. Okay then, so what's next? I think we're almost done here, so we gotta work on the bottom side. This one, gotta add some links, stuff like that. So first let me just give it a width of 90%. So where is it? This one. So we have a horizontal line. Yes, on top of this one, this paragraph. So I'm gonna be adding here a div. Control X, go back here. Let's save that. Class call -90, and let's add an MA so that we can have it centered. Let's see how it goes. Nice. Alright, so next we can add some breaks on the top and on the bottom. Or we can do it this way. So margin top -1, margin bottom -1. Let's see. Let's add a break down below here. See how it goes. Nice. Alright, so on the inside, only one discourse. Let's make it strong. Only one discourse. So here, let's close the paragraph right here. So we need to have multiple. Or actually, let's try this way. Strong. So let's close the strong right here. Let's see if it's gonna be working this way. Yep, it's working. So yeah, buy this course for that price, keep real time. Click here. So for the click here, it must be a link, as you know. So let's add an A here, a ref, and let's put, for example, just this one, the hashtag. And for the click here, I'm gonna be putting it inside the A, like this. All right, so let's go back. Let's do refresh. Okay, it's clickable right now, which is awesome. All right, also I don't think we need that break on the bottom. Margin bottom. So let's just remove that. Go back, save. Still nothing. So let's remove this break. And keep on the margin bottom. Margin bottom of 1. Do we have the margin bottom or not? Margin bottom, margin top. Actually, we don't have it. So let's add it. So as you can see, I'm keeping everything in order here so that I won't gonna miss So margin top 0, margin top bottom 1, and so on and so forth. Alright, so let's do refresh. Margin bottom of 1, MB. MB of 1 means margin bottom 1 rem. Let's delete again all the data. And let's take a look. No, still nothing. Oh yes, it's working, but it's not showing that. So actually here we must use the padding bottom. The padding bottom. Padding top. Padding bottom. Of 1. So now I think it's gonna be working. Nope. Margin bottom 1 rem. What about 10 rems? What about the padding? Yep, the padding is working. So we don't have the margin bottom anymore. We have the padding now. Yes, margin, so padding bottom. Save that, let's go back to refresh. Now it's perfect. Alright, so now it's perfect. Alright, so in the next coming lecture, we're gonna be continuing working on the bottom side. We're gonna add these stuff. Alright, so see you soon.